Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we have crazy accurate predictions, guys. We got another bars pattern for you. I went ahead and did more research. Go ahead and check out the video I just dropped for GME as well, but we're focusing on AMC in this video. I did more research, and guys, this video is going to be a banger. We got the bars pattern back. And guys, we have so much confirmation and confluence that I am right on point with this. If you do not believe me, that is on you. This is not financial advice. But guys, I am on point with this. And it is all making sense. It's all very clear. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on.
What's up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're only looking at AMC. I already dropped a video for GME and AMC. Go ahead and check that out, but this video is just for AMC. I have another update for you guys. Lots of stuff going on, guys. I have another bars pattern for you guys. Now, as I told you when I predicted that AMC is going to squeeze in 2 weeks, I told you that we are at this point in the bars pattern. So I went ahead and clipped this time period from the bars pattern. So I went ahead and looked at AMC, went ahead and went back, clipped the appropriate time period so I can go ahead and match it up. That way I can get a bars pattern for us so we can get more accurate tracking. That way I can get times and dates. And as you guys can see, it is exactly what I was calling for in my market predictions before I even had the bars pattern. This rounded bottom, I got this all from the technical analysis. As you guys can see, we have this uptrend, we have this falling wedge, and then we have this ascending triangle. All of this is giving me the price structure of a rounded bottom that we are going to be forming. And that's how I knew that we were going to be moving to the upside over $6, possibly $8 in the next 2 weeks, and start seeing the actual squeeze to the upside. Now, if you go ahead and look at the bars pattern overlaid as well, I told you guys what time period we're in. As you guys can see, you have a 3 top peak, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 top peak. This is the 2020 run up. Then I have the 2020 run up. Again, this is the 2021 run up here. 3 top peak, then you drop down, then you start to rip. 3 top peak, then you drop down, then you start to rip. 3 top peak, then we drop down. Now we are forming that bull flag formation and starting to rip. As you guys can see, we're about to get that rounded bottom formation. Let's go ahead and look at the bars pattern on a closer time frame to show you guys what we are looking at now. I do think AMC could drop all the way down to that 493, 480 level, possibly before we see this next bounce to the upside, as you guys can see. So tomorrow, what I'm thinking is going to happen tomorrow is actually we're going to see pullback tomorrow. So tomorrow, I think we're going to see pullback to the downside based off the bars pattern and the technical analysis. As you guys can see, I think tomorrow is probably going to be a red day, as I do think we're going to move up in pre-market to this $5.15 level, hit our head on that $5.15 level, and then start to move back down. So it's either going to be a flat or red day tomorrow. We're going to consolidate in these ranges and then start to move to the upside. So I have it marked here in blue here on Webull for you guys, and then on TradingView, of course, marked here in yellow. So we need the next couple of days basically to consolidate. Then we're going to get this bullish engulfing candle to the upside. As you guys can see, we're about to get this bullish engulfing candle to the upside, and that will be coming in the next couple of days. And I will be dropping videos each day showing you how this bars pattern is tracking. I do believe this is the proper tracking where we are at right now and the price action we are going to see, and I do believe we'll be over $6 before the end of the next 2 weeks, in my personal opinion, possibly all the way up to this $8 level here in the next 2 weeks. I wanted to get this information out here, guys, so that's why I dropped a second video today. This video is going to be a little bit more short, but I just wanted to focus on AMC, give you guys that bars pattern update, and let you guys know what is going on. And what is very unique about this bars pattern I want to point out is, guys, I had this price pattern chart already charted out. Remember, I dropped this video last weekend. So this weekend that we just came from, I think I dropped this on Saturday with this exact price action, showing you guys how we had the falling wedge when I called the bounce a couple of days before it happened. Then we got this flattening out. I told you guys we're going to consolidate for the next couple of days and then move to the upside. Then I made the video that we're going to squeeze in 2 weeks because I figured out where we were with the bars pattern. Remember, I had the blues bars pattern overlaid, and then the algo started stretching things out. I realized that my placement was just slightly off with the bars pattern, and I found my new placement, and that's when I made the bold statement that AMC was going to squeeze in 2 weeks. I knew that we were at this point with the AMC squeeze. We're at this flattening out point. We're going to consolidate to the downside just a little bit and then pop to the upside. Now with this video, I went ahead and clipped the appropriate bars pattern that I needed, overlaid it so I can give you guys the proper tracking, so I don't have to just circle it, so you can just say don't trust me, bro, so you can actually visually see it. And now I have overlaid it, and guys, as you can see, we're about to see that movement to the upside. And again, this bullish engulfing candle here is going to confirm it. A bullish engulfing candle all the way up to that $5.15 level. And again, I keep saying once we break this, or $5.50 level, and I keep saying once we break this level here at $5.15, I keep saying this over and over again, we're going to shoot straight up to $5.50. What is crazy is I've been saying this before I had the bars pattern. I've been saying once we break this, this is all based off of technical analysis, and now I have the bars pattern confirming it. This is letting you know that I am on point. This is happening, guys. This is happening whether you believe it or not. And again, with the market psychology, this is the disbelief rally. That's why a lot of you can't believe it. A lot of people are angry in the comments saying, oh, you're going to be wrong. It's going to crash back down. No, that's the key of disbelief, guys. You are the definition of it. We are ahead of the crowd here. We're ahead of the herd. We are buying when people are fearful and being greedy when people are fearful, and fearful or people are greedy. That way we make the most amount of money and the point of maximum financial opportunity, not buying at the top at the point of maximum financial risk. We are ahead of the herd on this channel because we stay ahead of the game. We know the technical analysis and we know the psychology of the market. As you guys can see, AMC's call option and gamma chain is stacked. If we can get above that $6 level, again, it'll push us up if we can get above that $6 level, and I do think that is coming here soon. Short interest is stacked to the upside. Cost to borrow is dropping to the downside, but I'm not worried about that. They are not able to get very many shares available to borrow. If you go ahead and look, they only have 100,000 shares available to borrow for AMC. I do think tomorrow is going to be a downside. We could have a downside tomorrow. Basically, we're going to consolidate for the next couple of days. So Tuesday, Wednesday, we're going to consolidate. And then Thursday, we'll probably see that bullish engulfing candle to the upside to about $5.50. And then once we get above that $5.50 level, we can start going parabolic to that $6.20 level. And then that is our last goal, because once we get above $6.20, I believe we're going to shoot straight to that $8 level, the golden zone. And then, of course, that is the last hurdle. Once we get above the golden zone, we are going to see massive parabolic action. And if you look at what's the bars pattern is calling, it's basically showing that we're going to get that breakout of that ascending triangle. So this yellow ascending triangle that I have marked here on Webull, right here, we're going to get the breakout of this. As you guys can see, right here, we're going to get the breakout of that. And as you guys can see, also, more things are telling me that this is going to happen. Like, it's all lining up. If you go ahead and look at the Bollinger Bands, they're indicating that we're going to make a move here on the 4-hour time frame here in a couple of days. They're getting very, very tight. And then here on the weekly time frame, it's telling us that we're going to make a larger move because they're squeezing as well. Like, all of this is adding up, but basically we're going to break out of this, move up to that $5.50 level. And guys, watch how accurate these predictions are. So we're going to break out of this on Tuesday or Wednesday, move up to that $5.50 level. Once we move to that $5.50 level, consolidate there. Then in the next couple of days, get that next push to that $6.20 level, that local high. Once we break that local high, it's on and popping. We'll go to that golden zone. And then once we break that golden zone, we'll start to absolutely pump. So guys, here it is. It's laid out for you guys. We're tracking perfectly. Everything is good to go. We are looking good. You need to buy when people are fearful. These prices are about to be gone for AMC. $5 is about to be gone for AMC. It will not exist at all. The macro is playing out as well. We're also breaking out of this overall macro falling wedge, and we are going to see all-time highs for AMC. As you guys can see, the breakout target is over the all-time highs. If you take your high from your low, that will give you a breakout target, and it's over all-time highs for AMC. So guys, this is everything I have for you. I wanted to get this second update out for you because I did have this bars pattern. I just figured this out. Sorry, I rushed to get my first video out, but this one is focused on AMC. Check out my other video if you want to see GME as well. That stock is about to go crazy as well. Guys, our time is near. You made it. Congratulations. Much love to all of you. As always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.
All right, guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this. And I truly appreciate each and every one of you that drops comments, shows loves, and subscribe. It really does mean a lot to me. And as always, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord. And have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out.